Hey guys, it's Tajir. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing Spooktorial Season 2, Episode 2. I'm so excited. I keep saying this. I'm going to be saying this all Spooktorial season. I'm just so excited to be getting into Halloween videos, Halloween makeup, spooky videos, spooky season. Like, ugh, I know people hate that, but I'm just so excited. So as you can see by the title, we're going to be doing a Medusa makeup look. I actually did a Medusa like costume like a few years ago for like our family party, but like I wasn't filming my makeup. I mean, I was filming my makeup, but I wasn't like confident enough to like do doing Halloween tutorials back then. I was just like doing it quickly because it was a party and I didn't want to like film and stuff, and I just never made a video. But since I have the headpiece, this also, you'll see it like in the thumbnail. So yeah, I made this was a while ago, so I don't have a tutorial unfortunately, but you can find so many tutorials on like Pinterest and stuff. So I have this and I was like, you know what, let's show the girls the Medusa look that I did like a while ago. It's gonna be a little bit different. I'm doing different eyeshadow and stuff like that. That's another thing I wanted to do because I liked my eyeshadow at the time, but I feel like I've gotten so much better. I like how my hair is a little bit more, like my hair was so flat back then. Like as you guys see, like if you ever see my old videos, like I had like the smaller twist, so it was like flatter and stuff. But anyways, yeah, all that to say, I'm doing a Medusa makeup look. You guys never seen it, people in my family and who went to the party seen it, but this is a new and improved Medusa makeup look. So if you're so excited, or even if you're not excited and you just want to see like a Medusa makeup look, then just keep on watching. Yeah, I'm so excited. First, we're just gonna prime my eyes, the Juvia's Place concealer in the shade 16. I would use like a light one, but I don't really need it to be super light. I kind of really like working with green eyeshadow. Like I don't know why, every time I do like a green eyeshadow look, I like love it so much. I don't really know why, it just like looks really good. I think green looks so good with like brown eyes, and like especially like for spooky season. Look guys, I know that's annoying, but I love saying it. I think it's like, you know, one of those things where it's like you hear something that like people think is cringy, because I don't really think it's that cringy, but like people think it's cringy and you start saying it like to be funny, and then it becomes like a part of your like vocabulary. I think that's what like spooky season is. But I like it. I don't know why people like get so mad or annoyed when people say that. They just don't want people to have things. But if you know me, you know what I'm about to say next. I made a face chart right here. I really can't do makeup looks on the spot without doing a face chart. It just makes me feel better. So in this face chart, as you can see, it's like a green look and it's a cut crease, but it comes like down onto the bridge of the nose. I'm super excited. Let's just get started. For a lot of my green looks, I love using the Tri palette by Juvia's Place. I just feel like it has such a good selection of like greens and stuff, and also like it's all one palette, so you don't really have to be switching back and forth. So yeah, if you like doing a lot of like spooky makeup and stuff and it's a lot of greens, I would definitely recommend this palette because it is chef's kiss when it comes to green makeup looks. So yeah, that's what I'm using. I'm gonna take the Morphe M504 and I'm gonna dip into Masai, I think that's how you say it, in the palette. It's like that lime green shade, and we're going to use that as the transition shade. I'm just gonna put that into the crease. Okay, now I'm gonna take the Morphe M330. I'm gonna take Tootsie, which is the second lightest green in the palette, and we're basically just gonna put it in the same spot but under it. You guys kind of know how blending works. So now we're going to take the Morphe M433 and we're going to go into Son, which is the darkest green in the palette, and you guessed it, we're just going to put it in the same exact spot but under it. I'm gonna switch over to the Morphe M330. I just love this brush. Every time I try to use like a different brush for like a crease shade, I just always end up going back to this one. But I try to be different, you know, but this Morphe brush has me in a chokehold. Like, it's never letting up. And the only thing about the Tri palette is that it doesn't have a black, but I feel like everybody has at least one black in your collection, so just get whatever black. I'm going to be using Urban Decay Blackout. This is from the Gwen Stefani palette, but I usually just use Blackout because this just happens to be like one of like my favorite blacks ever. So we're going to be taking, well, not ever because I mean ever for me, but I haven't tried every single black shadow out there, so just my opinion. I haven't tried all the ones, not even half of the ones. So keep that in mind. So yeah, we're gonna take Darkest Green from the Tri palette and mix it in with Urban Decay Blackout, and we're gonna put it into the crease, but just kind of like in the last half. You'll see what I mean. I'm so terrible at explaining things. Like, hi, I'm literally trying to do like makeup tutorials, and I'm like the worst at explaining things how that work, but now we're gonna cut the crease, and I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Concealer in the shade 20 because I want it to be pretty light. I'm gonna put some of that on the back of my hand. Then I'm gonna take the Morphe M124 brush and basically just gonna cut out my crease. And now I'm gonna set the crease with some Airspun powder. The lid, I mean, set the cut crease, which is on the lid, with some Airspun powder. Now I'm gonna take the Morphe M506 and I'm gonna take the second Darkest Green in the Juvia's Place palette and just start blending out the end of the cut crease that we just did. I feel like it's been so long since I did a half cut crease. I used to live by these bad boys and I still like love them so much, but I feel like it's been so long since I did it, but they're really like top tier. Look at that. Period. I love half cut creases. And I'm gonna take a little bit of Blackout. Now I'm going to do a liner that blends out into the outer corner, not a wing, just like a liner. This also helps to conceal the lash band later when we put on lashes. So I'm going to be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Gel Liner. So now I am going to take a Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife. You guys, everybody knows what this is. This is also something that I feel like is amazing if you do like Halloween videos and you love like gold, not even Halloween videos, like if like you like to do a lot of like Halloween looks, if you go to a lot of Halloween parties. I just feel like this highlighter is like amazing. Mine broke, so I had to like reset it. I'm gonna put it on the blended out part of the cut crease and then also in my inner corner, but I'm going to do my inner corner after my foundation, because every time I do that first it like blends into my foundation. Everything looks all glittery, which is fine, but I just don't want that look right now. So I don't think you guys will be able to see that right now. You see? Can you see? If not, like when I give you guys a close-up at the end, you'll be able to see it. It just adds that extra like glitter, and I just feel like it looks so nice. And it'll also like tie it in once I put it in the inner corner as well, but like I said, I'm gonna do that later. So now I'm gonna go off camera and do my foundation. It's nothing really special. Do your foundation how you usually do. I'll come back for like powder and stuff, because that's something that we're gonna do like a little bit different, like bronzer and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm gonna do my foundation off camera, then we'll come back and do like other little stuff that we're gonna do. But like I said, just do your foundation how you do your foundation. It doesn't really matter in this makeup look. So yeah. Okay, so I did my foundation and everything, so now we're gonna do a little bit of like bronzing, but we're gonna use green. I'm gonna take this little like grid thing. You can use what are they called, like stockings, but I'm just gonna use this. Don't ask me where I got it from because it's kind of embarrassing. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. Let me cut it a little bit more. So I'm basically just gonna take this, I'm gonna put it in the spot where I would like contour with. I'm gonna take this little like angled brush and I'm gonna dip into Son and Tootsie. Don't swipe, just like tap. Perfect, yay. Okay, now we're gonna do the under eye. I'm gonna take the Morphe M321, and we're gonna take Tootsie, which is the second lightest green, and put it under my eye. Then I'm going to take some of Son, which is the darker green, and just put it on the outer half. I'm going to take the Morphe M213 and I'm going to take Coral from the palette and put it in my inner corner, just like lighten it up some more. Okay, so I just went off camera and put on a lash. And I guess that's all I did. Yeah, I did my bottom lash line and I also did a little like flicky in the corner. I feel like it gives me kind of like snake eyes. So now we're gonna do lips, and I'm kind of nervous about this because every time I do like try to do something with my lips, it ends up looking crazy, but I'm also kind of excited. So first I'm gonna line my lips with black. So this is the face chart, as you can see on the lips. I'm gonna use eyeliner as lip liner. So first I'm gonna line my lips. Since I don't have any green lipstick, I'm just going to take my CC Beauty palette. I'm going to take the green from the palette, and I think I'm going to make it a little bit lighter with some white. And then before I put it on my lips, I'm just going to mix in like a little bit of powder, just so it's not so like super creamy. It'll be a little bit thicker. Yeah, that's it, right? That's a good color. Okay, so I don't exactly know where it stopped. My camera died. So yeah, I'm pretty sure you guys seen the lips. I just actually put on some gloss just to finish it off, and this is the finished look. This is the headpiece that I made a few years ago. Like I said, I showed you guys, I think, but this is it on my head. I don't have a tutorial because I made it so long ago, but like I said, I think I found the tutorial on Pinterest. There's so many Medusa headpieces tutorials on Pinterest. So yeah, and this is the finished look. I love it so much. I'll try to see if I can find a clip, a picture, something of when I was Medusa a few years back. I just feel like this looks so much better. I love the way that the like scales look. I love the way that it looks with like my big hair now. I just love everything about it. Yeah, I don't know, I just really love like Medusa. Like every time I do like a Medusa look or like think about Medusa, I'm just like, ugh, that's my dream. Like, you know, you guys know I want to be like an actress. I just like, that's my dream role, like Medusa. I don't know why, I just love her. But this video was so fun. Like I said, I love doing Halloween videos. I love doing Medusa. She's just like one of my faves. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Turn on my post notifications to be notified every time that I upload, especially if you like Halloween videos, because all October I'm going to be doing a Spooktorial season 2, as I said in the beginning, as you've seen throughout this whole video, the title, everything. So yeah, also if you love Halloween videos, you can watch my Spooktorial season 1 from last year. It'll be linked down below, and then this whole season will be linked down below as well. It just depends on when you watch this video. there's one other video before this, obviously it's episode 2, but if you're watching this when the whole series is over, then that'll also be linked down below. Yeah, if you recreate this look, this face chart look, you can tag me on Instagram and all my other social medias. All that good stuff is on the screen right here. It'll also be in the description box down below. I'm so excited to continue making these Halloween videos with you guys. I hope you guys are excited as well. I just love it so much. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.